Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. This is a non-sponsored video, so you'll get a real opinion from someone that is not getting it sent to them for free. So here's what I got in the mail. It has little icicles on it. I did order 3 add-ons. One for me, one for my mom, one for my sister. Oh, I need scissors. So that will probably be on top. Jesus. Okay. So when I open it, this is what I see. FabFitFun and just a bunch of paper. Interesting. So this is just a box apparently, because normally it comes in a different box, but okay. Well, we already see a mistake because it says I only got 2 of these pedicure things. So hopefully there's more than 2 because I ordered 3. No, okay, there's only 2. So my sister and my mom are gonna have to share one because there's only 2 here. So that stinks. Is there 2 or is there 3? I guess there's only 2, so that's unfortunate. So this is the book that gives you like how much everything costs in there. So we'll look at that at the end. Then I have all these other papers. What's this? This is $15 off FabFitFun if you want to use it. What's this one? Free wine, a sticker. HBO Max. Why are they giving me so many papers? For HBO Max trial. Personalized gummy vitamins. And HelloFresh. I kind of want to try HelloFresh. So maybe I will use that, but we'll see. Okay, first thing I see is a Kind bar. I don't know why there's a Kind bar in there. I never had a Kind bar before. This is a dark chocolate nuts and sea salt bar. It says it's a thin. It is very thin, so I don't know if that's actually a product or they just added that in for funsies. So then I actually did choose this during my customization thing. This is the Laura Seller Cinnamon Spice eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like on the outside. And then on inside, just a bunch of neutrals. This is perfect for the fall, even though fall is almost over now. There's that one, that's pretty. There's another one right here. They look pretty good. I'll have to try it out and see how it actually is. Oh, I just remembered I didn't even tell them what this was that they only gave me 2 of. So this, which they only gave me 2 of, which they were supposed to give me 3 of, is a pedicure in a box, and it's like a 5-step thing, and there's 2 of them. So I don't know, we'll see how that is. Hopefully it's good. It was only $5, so not bad if it's not good. Okay, what's this? I definitely didn't pick this, so let's see what it is. Phase 0, Making Moves Blusher. So I'm assuming this is a blush. So it looks like. Oh, very pretty. Kind of reminds me of NARS Orgasm. That's a little more pink, but this is a little more orangey tone blush. But it definitely has a nice shimmer into it. Very pretty. Okay. Next we have this Beautitino Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So I guess for under eyes, and it brightens, hydrates, and depuffs. And there's 4 of them in here. So that looks nice. I like the under eye masks, they're good. Oh, yay! This is pretty. So this is brand Muir. And there are 3 different cheetah print scrunchies. So freaking cute. So this one's like a brown tone. This one's a more yellow golden toned one. And this one is like a darker brown toned one. They're very thin, but that's fine. But they seem nice. I like them. Okay, next, what is this? Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. Ooh, I need a lip scrub. Is there a brand? Oh, Wish. I don't know what that is. Gently exfoliates, softens, and smooths. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. Oh, that was the back. This is the front. Let's smell it. It does smell like vanilla bean. That's good. I like that. So far we're at how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should only be 3 more things, I think. Look at these socks. Let's see. They're called the original Muckalux. These look so comfy. Look at them. Isn't that so cute? With little balls. Oh, I'm gonna wear these all winter. Oh my god, and the inside is all fuzzy like this too. Oh, I'm so excited to try these on. Oh my god, they feel so warm. Wow. Okay, next. We have a robe. Is this a robe? I think so. I think I remember picking a robe. Yes, cozy robe. Summer and Rose. Whoa. Oh, wow, this is so comfy. As a hood. And it's like this taupey color. And I think it has pockets. It does. It has pockets as well. Very soft. Oh my god, it's so soft and comfortable. And then look what's last. This, I can't believe they put this in there. I don't necessarily need it, but I think what I'm gonna do is, or bring it when I go on vacations. I don't know, but how did they give this? It's an Impressions. Okay, I have an Impressions mirror upstairs in my room. But this is like a mini one and it lights up and I love my mirror I have, and this one is like basically the same thing. And then it moves for you. I can't believe they gave this, okay? Because I know they're expensive as all heck. So I don't really know. This is the last item. How they did that, but oh, it comes with batteries. That's good. Okay. So here's the base of it. Here's the batteries. Oh, that's bright. All right, so here's the mirror put together, and look how bright this is. Oh, you're just seeing yourself. Look how bright this is. This is awesome. Awesome. I'm probably just gonna use this to travel. I think this is like so great because then if I want to compress it, oh, I can't reattach it. Well, I could just leave it in my bag like this, maybe. I'm sure I could attach it. Oh yeah, you can. You can unattach it. So then you just bring it like this on the bottom of your bag, and that's like perfect because it has a stand, number one, so you could put it on a table anywhere, a desk, and do your makeup. Like I always have the problem of just using a palette as a mirror instead when I'm traveling, and then my makeup never turns out as good as it normally does because I'm holding the palette and trying to do my makeup with the other hand. So this is really gonna come in handy, and I'm so excited for this. So Oh, and it comes with a rechargeable, I guess it's a rechargeable cord. Why did it come with batteries then? What is this for? Where does this even go? It goes into the mirror. Maybe I should read the directions. What does it say? Oh yeah, you could charge it with that. So I guess the batteries are maybe just backup batteries. I guess they're just backup if you don't have somewhere to plug it into. Yeah, so you could either use the power cable or the batteries. So that's everything I got. Let's see how much everything retailed for. Okay. So, where is the first one? Okay, so the robe was originally $70, so it's pretty expensive. Then what's after that? The mirror, I think that's 2, yeah. Where is that? 45. It's not as expensive as I thought it was. I mean, I remember when I got mine, it was at least 100. So maybe because it's a mini one, it's not as expensive, but I know that is a really good brand. So, well, that's really good. And then the palette was $45. The socks were $25. The under eye masks were $25 as well. And then the lip scrub 6A was $20. Ooh, I would have liked this thing too, but that's okay. The blush is $27. The hair ties, $25. Oh, I guess they just added that bar in there for no reason because it's not even on here. I don't really know why they added that in there, but it's fine. I'll take it. I'll try it. Oh, they have an ad for it at the end. I guess they're like sponsored by them or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna rate this box I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. I think I liked almost everything. I think I'll use everything. The only thing is I feel like a few of the things I could have got something that was worth more, but I definitely will still use them. I mean, I'd rather like it than have something that's more expensive, you know what I mean? So, if you guys like this video, I get one every season, so the next one would be spring, right? Because this is the winter box. So let me know and I'll do a video for that one when it comes in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!